for the STS, you can go to Google and search for Spring Toolsuit download. Then you will be finding spring.io as the first result. Open it. For different operating system, different download will be there. All are available in 64-bit. If you are going for Spring Toolsuit 4, if you want to go for 32-bit, then you have to downgrade the STS version. I will share the link in the description box for using Spring Toolsuit 3 or the earlier version in 32-bit. So I will go for Windows 64-bit. So STS will be downloaded. So once this jar file is downloaded into a machine, then you can open it and extract it. So it will be extracted in the same location as the STS release 4.7.1 right now. This is what is the version. Once it is extracted, you go inside this folder, you will find this application Spring Toolsuit. You can do one thing, you can have a shortcut to the desktop. So, and as well as you can open it to go for using the OpenJDK. There you can create the project also of any type, whichever you want, even if any kind of Java project, or even if in current available plugins in the Eclipse marketplace. All the products are going to be available in STS also. So here first time when you will open, then where you are going to put your project, that's what is called as workspace. By default it is going to be in users, document, workspace, Spring Toolsuit, all this thing. You can change it, but I will keep it as it is. It's always better to go for using some other folder. So first view is something like this. If you want to go for creating a Java project, so file, new Java project you can create, or you can click on here. You can give the project name, suppose hello. So location is going to be the same thing which we have used for this workspace. Then already it has taken, you can see Java SE 11 as the environment. So click on next, then finish. So here click on the module Java info.java, module info.java. In fact, you can create it or you can leave it also. I will not create it. I will go for simple Java project. Here inside this src, I can go for creating a class which will be containing the main class, or which will be containing the main method. You can click on this publish static void main. Suppose I will say my main is the class name, finish. So here you can write a sysout something, you can put over here hello STS in OpenJDK 11. So that's all. You can go for saving it and also executing it. So here in the console window you can see we got this hello STS OpenJDK 11. That's how you can go for using OpenJDK and as well as STS with it. So thanks for watching.